Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Hadin baladep ban nyaulut yaki vote jong baro ki kela kata naduk ke kela ka beningkong haduk ke kela ka basau ka metap candi ajitok sangma kalayo ya ka jingjob na ke election Shiteng Samoi jong ka Gambegre constituency da ka job persya ya ke kertong jong ka All India Trinamool Congress ka Sadhya Rani sangma. Ya ka mehtap hagani ka sengilawan ban senran lang do menteri rangba ka jela u konrad kongkel sangma u balapan paru i ka jing sngohun ha ka bedai bat ka result ka balami bat ka longru ka result ka bawanra jing kemen yaki kum ka seng NPP baru la ongru bakane ka pen ishai baki pat ba jong ka Gambegre ki jit ki kampen roy bat nakaliang jong uru kumu presiden rangba jong ka seng haringkat ki dekot baro ushim ni ka bentaban ai kublai ki pat ba jong ka Gambegre constituency halor ki jingkershan jong ki yala ka kertong u konrad uraong baki election kala bandan ka jingya pher ki babun ki liang henry menta pat la sakhi baki nong thep vote ki long shisha ki bla start wat la ki don ki bre ki bani ki thain nong kendong ru henry ki tip ka ei ka babhatam na ka benta jongki bat kani ka jingkershan jongki ha kani ka election ka dei shisha baki kwa ya ka jingkela bat ki kampen roy hapo ka constituency nakaliang konrad ula penparu ke jungungu yu blai bat ula ai khu blai ru ki pat ba jong ka Gambegre constituency bat ru ya baro ki dikhot nong yalam jong ka seng NPP ki bra tre shitom na ka benta ban penyo ya ka kertong jong ka seng ya ka jingjob ha kani ka election Shiteng Samoi.
Đây, Pak Hima đây. Mong sao hay. Đây. Uống đại hảo. Ai buat kita sini đây.
We were hopeful that we would win, and I think that's what we did, right? Still waiting for the final result to be declared, so I think it should be okay.
How are you feeling with each round of results? You are nervous?
Of course, I think as every candidate is, gets nervous for the result, I was also. Although we knew that the response was very good, still nothing was for sure until every votes were counted. So we're just waiting for that.
We are looking at the train.
And the results are as per expectation. So we're very happy that the people of Gambegre have voted for development, and we are very committed to that. And once again, we would like to take this opportunity to thank the people of Gambegre. We still have to wait. We still have the last round left. So let's wait for the final results and the announcement. But looking at the trends, it looks like we are quite comfortable and we should do it.
And the trend, TMC has come second. So the bastion of the Congress has ended.
See, every election is different. One has to look at election from a different perspective, and things change. Voters are intelligent, even though they may be from rural areas, but they know what is good for them and how they should vote in every election. So this election, as I said, they have voted specifically for change in terms of the constituency and development. So future also we have to see how things go, and every election is to be looked at from a different point of view.
How are you celebrating, sir?
No, nothing. We're just happy. We thank God for His blessings. We thank the people of Gambegre, and we thank, most importantly, all our leaders who have worked tirelessly to ensure that we were able to reach to this level in this election.
Thank you, sir.